secret.
There it is. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Nike. Is it just Nike Studios?
Nike Image.
Nike Image. Welcome back to Nike Image Studios. Today we are shooting a like denim Calvin Klein, like Kate Moss look. So yeah, let's do it. Mwah.
So I've been really inspired by a couple of YouTube photographers that I follow. One, Nathan Elson and Peter Colson. These people's work are phenomenal, and I love following their work and their black and white imagery. Which, if you really pay attention and you've seen my work, you don't really see any black and white. So I really want to incorporate black and white to my portfolio and to my work. So with that being said, let's get into it. The model for this shoot is Aliana. Now, here's a funny thing. I actually mispronounced her name for at least 2 years since I've known her, and she not once corrected me until this year that I had mispronounced her name, and it's Aliana, not Aliana. Man, I am bad with names. So if y'all have not checked out Aliana's work, y'all need to check it out. Here's the Instagram here. If y'all have not followed her, y'all need to go follow her. She's an amazing model. What else can I say? Perfect person for this black and white shoot. So for my cameras, y'all know I always go with my tried and true, my A7R3 and my A7R4. I paired my A7R4 up with my Tamron 28-75, and I paired my A7R3 up with my Sony 85mm prime. These are combinations that I love to use all the time. Now, with that combination, I shot wide open. So I shot at 2.8 for my Tamron 28-75, and I shot 1.8 with my Sony 85mm prime. These was the settings that I used to achieve this look. For lighting, I had multiple choices, so I either can go with continuous lighting or strobes. For this one, I decided to go with strobes. So I used two 8600s strobes, one paired with a lantern softbox and the other one paired with a strip softbox. This would actually give me a lot more control over shadows and light. Here comes the awesome part, the behind the scenes with Aliana.
You guys missed my concert. And now, Aliana Glory. Let's see if it's another song I can sing. No, I can't. This is too rock for me, guys. I'm not a rock star.
I hope y'all enjoyed that behind the scenes. It was an amazing shoot, and I always enjoy working with Aliana. Aliana is an amazing model, and I enjoy working with her. With that being said, every information that y'all want to see more images about this shoot, y'all can go see in the description below. I will have everything on a vlog. Also, y'all know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Come check me out, y'all. I'm gonna be doing more videos and more stuff like this and behind the scenes and more vlogs of that information. And with that being said, peace. Gotta get it.